In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Microsoft Office from your Windows PC, including Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, using the simplest method possible. This is a great tutorial if you want to free up space, fix Office-related issues, or completely uninstall the suite from your computer. We'll do it step by step through Control Panel, and by the end, Office will be removed from your system. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Control Panel on your Windows computer. You can do this by searching for Control Panel in the Start menu and opening it from the results. Once the Control Panel window appears, look for the Program section and click on Uninstall a Program. This will show you a list of all the applications currently installed on your PC. Now scroll through the list and find Microsoft Office. Depending on your version, it may appear as Microsoft Office, Microsoft 365, or a specific Office suite name. Click on it once to select it. After selecting Microsoft Office, look at the top of the list and click the Uninstall button. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the program, so go ahead and confirm the uninstall. At this point, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The Office uninstaller may ask you to close any open Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files before it continues. If that happens, save your work, close the apps, and then continue the removal process. Windows will now begin uninstalling Microsoft Office from your computer. This may take a few minutes, so let the process finish without interrupting it. Once it's complete, you should see a confirmation message that Office has been removed successfully. At this point, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel will no longer be installed on your device. You can also restart your computer if Windows recommends doing so, which helps finalize the removal. And that's it. Microsoft Office has been removed from your PC. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.